National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 198, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Maine: Androscoggin, Cumberland, Franklin, Kennebec, Knox, Lincoln, Oxford, Penobscot, Piscataqui, Saginaw, Somerset, Waldo, and York. And the following: Casco Bay, Maine. Coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to the Merrimack River, Massachusetts, out 25 nautical miles. Coastal Maine waters from Stonington to Port Clyde, out 25 nautical miles. And coastal Maine waters from Port Clyde to Cape Elizabeth, out 25 nautical miles. And the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Carroll, Cheshire, Cohasset, Grafton, Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, Stratford, and Sullivan. And the following counties in Vermont: Caledonia, Essex, Orange, Windham, and Windsor. And the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Middlesex, and Worcester. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Recreation forecast for the island percent. The wind was southwest at 12 miles an hour, and the pressure was 29.62 inches and falling. Portsmouth partly sunny, the temperature was 79. Manchester was fair. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kennebec County in south-central Maine, northwestern Waldo County in south-central Maine, southeastern Somerset County in west-central Maine, until 7 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Skowhegan, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fairfield, Skowhegan, Pittsfield, Madison, Clinton, Norridge Walk, Unity, Canyon, Heartland, Cornville, Burnham, Athens, Harmony, Detroit, Palmyra, St. Albans, Troy, and Smithfield. This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 138 and 157. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Maine: Kennebec, Somerset, and Waldo. This is the NOAA Weather Radio.